Have you ever wondered how seashells are made? Or how the teeth in your own body are manufactured without hazardous chemicals? I'm Professor Tiffany Walsh, and I've moved back to Victoria to study just that, natural materials. If we can understand how nature can make things like bones, shells and teeth, then we can apply those rules to make all sorts of new materials. Bionanotechnology is a fusion of two disciplines, nanotechnology and biology, and it refers to the functional application of biomolecules in nanotechnology. The utilisation of biomolecules such as peptides, proteins and DNA to create new materials is a promising area of modern research. Understanding how these biomolecules and the materials are able to associate and self-organise will be fruitful for developments in biotechnology in the future. My team and I use powerful computers to create molecular simulations of these high-performance biological composites. In molecular simulation, we get every atom that's in that material and we represent it in the computer. Then we get those atoms to move under the laws of physics, and from this, we can calculate and predict the properties of that material. In Victoria, we have a massive supercomputer called the Victorian Life Sciences Computation Initiative. It is thousands of times more powerful than the computer you have at home in your bedroom, and it allows us to do simulations involving millions of atoms. Let's look at some examples, starting with human skin. Human skin is incredible. It's both elastic and highly waterproof, but you're also able to retain water as well. For it to do all of these jobs, it needs a special bunch of molecules, and one of the most important is a molecule called keratin. Here's a snapshot of the molecule keratin. This is the same keratin that's found in your skin. Now, one of the big things about keratin, one of its key components, are these things called coiled-coil motifs. And coiled-coil motifs are poised to play a really big role in biotechnology in the future because they're very versatile. If we can understand how really complex biomolecules like keratin can get together and self-organise, this harbours really well for future developments in bionanotechnology. If you've ever picked up a seashell, you might have noticed how they're lightweight, they're really tough, and they're fracture resistant. Just try bending one in your hands. The more that we can understand how seashells are put together, then the better positioned we are to be able to harness these ideas from nature to make brand new materials with novel beneficial properties. Now it's over to you to discuss in your class all about bionanotechnology and how it relates to nature's materials.